Hey there, and welcome back. In this tutorial video, we're going to go over how to create divisions and conferences for your website. So to do that, we go to Teams and Divisions Conferences. And first off, I'm just going to create a couple conferences. And then you can, if you want, you can select a color. This will show up kind of in the standings. Okay, so once you've got your conferences set up, now let's add in divisions if you need them. So, like so. And there you go. You've got your conferences and your divisions set up, and now you can do standings and all that fun business. If you want to learn more about SportsBench and how to customize or use it, be sure to check out sportsbenchwp.com.